Shakas, hello crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today to do a layout, a scrapbook layout. I watched what is her name? Gosh, why can't I even think of people's names? Jennifer McGuire. I'm pretty sure it was Jennifer McGuire. Could have been Paige Evans, but I think it was, oh, it was one of them. Anyway, I'm going to just show you the layout. I got it off of the internet. I mean, off of that video I was watching. I don't have my color. My printer sucks. I'm looking for a printer recommendation. If anybody would like to give me one in the description box below, I would appreciate it. I need it to print color for like flyers, brochures, definitely photos. That's the big thing. It can print black and white, whatever. I mean, it'd be nice if it was photo quality, but whatever. Anyway, so but this is the layout that I am going to be making. I don't know if my cuts will be exactly the same, but you get the idea. So I'm going to, I have this paper pad or pack. I don't know if I have all the papers still, but I am going to go through my scraps that I have of this and maybe add some others that go with it from another collection. I'm not sure, but stay tuned and I'll be back. Okay, so this is what I need to zoom out. The lighting is junk. So as much as I can zoom out, but this is where my photo is gonna go 3x4 size, so I don't have this part of it adhered down, so I could slip it in as well as this. But this is my page that I took from this. I do think it was Jennifer McGuire with Paige Evans paper collection. That's probably what it was. But anyway, doesn't matter. This is mine, and this is how this one came out. So the paper collection I did use was from Pink Craft Studio. It is Paige Evans Crafted Moments, and this is all the samples of the paper, which I don't have too much left. Paige Evans also, I watched her do a video with her collection. She taught the class from Scrap and Create, and she used this page as a page too, because it's the same density as the rest of her pages. So, and it's blank on the back, so you can just do a cluster of photos right here that are matted and add some ephemera, which I'll show you because I'm probably gonna do that with this page. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed a little of watching me put this together. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, I hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shaka.